Hello, revolutionary music makers. I'm Kate Harmony, this is Ray Harmony, and welcome to Hack Music Theory,
where we help you make great music that stands out.
And if it's your first time here, please help yourself to our free book, 12 Music Theory Hacks to Learn Skills and Chords, which you can download from our website.
Alright, it's time to open your door to Hack Music Theory. But first, tea!
Swedish band Port Noir recently released their new album, The New Routine, which is one of the most underrated albums of the year, as this band has created a sound that's totally up to date, but also totally unique. They arrived at this super fresh sound by blending the melodies of pop, the synths of electronic, the guitars of rock, and the grooves of hip-hop. And as everything is built on this flawless foundation of epic grooves, that's what we'll be hacking in this lesson. So what makes this drummer so good? Well, he actually plays relatively simple grooves, but they're so tasty that it's physically impossible not to move to them. And the way he gets our bodies moving is by offsetting his syncopated kicks with a solid backbeat snare, and then spicing everything up with incredibly creative cymbal patterns.
Alright, now you can learn how to use this theory to make your own version. So start by setting up 4 bars of 4/4 with your grid set to 32nd notes and your tempo set to 72 BPM. And in this lesson we'll be hacking the chorus groove of their song Young Bloods.
Step 1. Kick and snare.
First things first, throw in the backbeat snare in every bar, which is on beat 2 and beat 4. This will give your groove momentum and get those heads bobbing and feet tapping. Next, throw in the kick on beat 1 in every bar. This will provide a reference point for all your offbeat kicks, which you're going to get to next. Right, now it's time to inject the syncopation, which is an accented offbeat, and that is what's going to get people seriously moving to your drums. And be sure to use a combination of offbeat 8th notes and offbeat 16th notes. This will add depth to your groove and prevent your drums from getting boring. Also, change up a couple bars with a little variation on the kick. In this example, bars 2 and 3 have the same kick pattern, but bars 1 and 4 are different.
And by the way, if you want to get your hands on our best drum hacks, then download the 2 drum PDFs we have over at hackmusictheory.com/books. And those downloads include step-by-step PDF guides and multi-track MIDI files. Step 2. Cymbals.
Right, now that you've got a solid groove in place, it's time to spice it up with hi-hats. And this is where things get really interesting. So start by deciding what syncopated kicks you want to accent, and then add an open hat on those hits. And if you want to add an open hat where there is no kick, that's cool too.
Now you're going to create a 16th note closed hat pattern around those open hats, which will lead into and out of them nice and smoothly.
Next, you're going to add even more spice by throwing in a few 32nd notes on the closed hats. So between 2 16th hits, add a 32nd hit. This creates a little roll on the hats, and if you do them in a few different places, it'll keep your groove totally fresh. Lastly, change your grid to 32nd note triplets, and before one of your open hats, add a 32nd note triplet roll that leads into that open hat. This is next level spice, and while your average listener won't even notice it, your super fans will love it.
Alright, now let's have a listen to this epic drum groove. But just before the playthrough, if there's an artist you'd like us to hack, please let us know.
Thanks for watching or listening if you're on the podcast, and we'll see you next week. Lastly, change your grid to 32nd note triplets, and before one of your open hats, oh, it's the wrong one! That's great. Lastly, change your grid to 32nd note triplets, and before one of your open hats, add a 32nd note triplet. Lastly, change your grid to 32nd note triplets, and before one of your open hats, add a 32nd note triplet roll that leads into that open hat.